Hello everyone, my name is Arushi Mehra. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how I style my shrugs. So I am a big junkie of shrugs. I love wearing shrugs. As you all know that I love layering, so it is clear that I love shrugs. So this is a video specifically for shrugs. So I'm going to show you all my shrugs and how I style it. So without any more chit chat, let's get into the video. So the first one is this. This is a knee length shrug, cut sleeves, black in color, and it looks very classy. This is the most classiest shrug that I have, and it has net at behind and kind of two belts. And yeah, it looks the most amazing. I mean, I love it. I absolutely love it. And mostly, actually, every time when I wear this, I wear it with this top only. And okay, this shrug is from Splash. I think I got it 3-4 years ago, and yeah, so I remember I got this specifically for my best friend's birthday. So yes, and I got the perfect outfit. So yes, this is the first one. I think I got this for 2000. Yes, it was a bit expensive but worth it. So the next one is this Georgette half shrug. It is like this much length, and it is like itna length, waist length, and it is amazing. This is my favorite shrug, my favorite. This is the shrug that I've worn, I don't know, like 1,000 times. Out of all, this is the one that I've worn the most. I wear it with red, yellow, green, blue, black, white, all colors. I just love it. I absolutely love it. This is from Max in the size S. And yes, it's amazing. I hope you can see how I style it. Yes, so this is the one, my favorite one. Yay! So let's move on to the next one. Next one is this striped shrug. This is knee length and 3/4 sleeves, and this is basically of hosiery, if you're aware with the stuff. And I got it from Lajpat Nagar market, yes, and it was very cheap. Obviously the products over there are very cheap. I think I got it for 150 or 250, something like that, but it was long ago, like 2-3 years back. Yeah, so I like, to be very honest, I don't wear it often, but yes, I do. But I wear it sometimes, you know, but I actually don't really adore it. But yeah, it's actually, you know, looking purana now, because it's been 2-3 years and I got it from Lajpat. So you know, I hope you can understand. So yes, this is the third one. So the next one is, yes, this is I don't know the name of the shop. This is kind of denim look, and this is a dress, but I wear it like a shrug. This is from Splash again. It was a gift from my sister. She got it from Mumbai for me. So yes, this is basically knee length, and yes, this has like half sleeves, and yeah. So it looks amazing when I wear it. मैंने ज़्यादा पहनी नहीं है ये, but yeah, जब भी पहनती हूँ, I look good. I feel confident. Yes. So again from Splash, another shrug from Splash. So yes. Yay. So the next one is, okay, this is a hosiery shrug again. It is cut sleeves and waist length. This is, I don't know how many years purana. I think 6 to 7 years, yes, but I don't wear it now very often. I wear it like super rarely, yes, super rarely. बहुत कम पहनती हूँ मैं ये, but it's nice, you know, it gives you a little chunnuts in the front and it gives you a nice look. But to be very honest, it is getting ruined now because it's very old. It's the oldest shrug that I have. Yes, so yeah, this is one. Yay. I don't remember where I got it from because I was very young. I think it was my sister's. So I wear it now because she's married. So these are my clothes now. So the next one is, and this is the last one. This is a knee length shrug, black again. Mostly all my shrugs are black. Like I think all of them. Just one is black and white. Yes. So yes, this is a knee length shrug, 3/4 sleeves, and the stuff is a little thick, so you can also carry it in winters. I mean, I can also carry it in winters, I do. And this is also my sister's. This is from Runway by Max. So yes, I wear it very rarely, not super rarely, but rarely, and it's been a long time since I wore this. So yes, but it looks really nice. And it looks really very nice. So yay. So yes, this is the last one, and I hope you can see the pictures that I hope you can see how I style it. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. I hope you like my outfits and my styling. So you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. See you. Bye.